Hello. You know, we are what we practice a lot. Then excellence is not an act, it becomes a habit. Like we have gotten in the habit of bringing you our show every week. So welcome to Salam Emirates with me, your host Safa. The biggest factor of success is self-esteem. Believing you can have it, believing you deserve it, and believing you can do it. And the man with the strongest beliefs is none other than the CEO of Splash and iconic Raza Beg. We'll meet with him and know about his life story. After that, we'll take you around Dubai to show you the fabulous happenings. And then is your favorite part of Bollywood, movie releases. Stay tuned after this break. हम मौजूद हैं रज़ा बेग के साथ उनके अपने घर पे. Hello Raza, and thank you so much for having us at your place.
You're most welcome. You're most welcome.
Raza, you have a gorgeous house. मुझे ये बताएं कि कितना contribution आपका है इस खूबसूरती के अंदर?
Contribution, हाँ, जितनी यहाँ आर्ट पेंटिंग्स, जितने आर्ट पीसेस हैं, ये मैंने करीब 20-25 साल से कलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. और जब when you putting your home together, you know, your art actually makes your walls alive and makes it a proper home. So you can see the touches, basically जो final touches होते हैं, that's all mine. हाँ, my friend Arif, also, you know, from Pakistan, has actually done my house.
So ये जो घर है, कहते हैं कि इंसान का जो घर होता है वो उसकी personality की extension होता है.
That's
तो
true.
आपका घर is an extension of your personality.
Completely.
So
it has
you
got
love
all
art.
It's got all versions of me. It's got a softness. It's got a spiritual side. It's got every room is defined differently. My children's room have fun and youthful. My room is very boudoir. My mom's room is very very Victorian. The namaz room is very peaceful. And that's how the brief was given, that everything has to have its personality. So when you go through the house, and of course my hall has, or my living space has the opulence which one needs, you know, so it does have my character.
You have a very busy day, busy schedule. लेकिन घर पे आके आप आराम करते हो, तो अपने फारिग टाइम पे क्या करते हो घर में?
कुछ नहीं. जैसे ही आता हूँ दिमाग स्विच ऑफ करता हूँ. पहली चीज़ आते ही खाना खाता हूँ. बच्चे सबको बुला लेते हैं, वी ऑल सिट डाउन, खाना खाते हैं. और फिर वील सिट एज अ फैमिली. मैं शीशा पीता हूँ, बच्चे अपनी बातें करते हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं, सोप ऑपरास देखते रहते हैं, रोते रोते, या यू नो. एंड 2-3 दफ़ा हफ्तों में ऐसा होता है कि अबाउट एट 8:39 आई वुड मीट सम फ्रेंड्स for a dinner outside, or you know, it's usually it's a shisha. They either come home or we go out.
Talking about your kids, आपके बच्चों के बारे में, how is the relationship? Are you a strict dad?
नहीं, एकदम chilled out, cool. मतलब I do realize कि जब हम लोग छोटे थे तो you know, when we were growing up, there was a lot of things which couldn't speak to our family.
हाँ जी.
And चाहे वो उसको आप शर्म हुजूरी कर लो या जो भी है, you know, we didn't speak about it. And I do recognize that we had to learn all those things as we went by in our life.
On our own.
On our own.
Yeah.
And a lot of those learnings are actually mistakes. और उस mistakes से हम सीखते हैं. तो I had very clearly decided कि मेरी जितनी personal learnings हैं, मैं अपने बच्चों को पहले से, तो उनकी जो फर्स्ट, मेरे ख्याल से उनकी पहली लर्निंग थी, जो मैं यूजुअली जो भी उनको समझाना, मैं हमेशा एक बड़ी आई टेल देम इन अ स्टोरी. और मेरी उनकी फर्स्ट लर्निंग थी कि यू नो, आई वांटेड देम टू बी सेफ. सो द फर्स्ट स्टोरी वाज हाउ टू बी सेफ देन रादर देन बीइंग सॉरी. और अगर आप मेरे बच्चों से पूछेंगे भाई तुम्हारे डैडी से क्या क्या सीखा है, तो मेरे ख्याल से सबसे पहले ये बात करेंगे, बी सेफ देन सॉरी. और that's where I remember in my childhood I made most mistakes. I took risk because I was youthful, young. You did things to get a high, and those are some of them were big mistakes.
But I think that still is in you. That is the way you are. You like to take risks. आप risk लेके ही आपको कामयाबी मिलती है. And that is
risk
how
is
you
a very important thing in business. calculated risk, but personally, no. Risk should not be a personal thing. I do understand, like if you tell me, right, by sky jump, diving job, oh भाई
वो तो
जान
मैं
ले
भी
लो
ना करूँ
भाई.
जान सबको प्यारी है मैं
But
भी कभी ना करूँ
no, I wouldn't do that. But today, you know, in fact, we went on the last holiday with the kids, and I did what do you call that? You know, gliding. पहाड़ से फेंक दे. मेरे दोनों बच्चे भाग कूद गए और मैं पहाड़ पे खड़ा हूँ. मैंने कहा मैं क्या करूँ? भाई मुझे भी जाने दो, because we had to reach ground zero, you know. So I've taken certain risks with the kids, but they have lot more ability to today indulge rather than
but they
us.
have somebody कि जिसको they can look upon and they follow your example, they follow your advice.
That's what my children are very very wise kids, and they're very happy kids, mashallah se. And I do, because I have a relationship of dialogue with them, I think so they do that, they do respect.
So you have do you lead a very healthy lifestyle? अपना एक्सरसाइज खाना
Completely unhealthy. Completely
बिकॉज कहते हैं ना हेल्दी बॉडीज गिव हेल्दी माइंड्स
No, that's not
तो
true.
आप अगर अच्छे लाइफस्टाइल गुजारते हो तो आपका इट शोज ऑन योर वर्क
No, it shows on your body, you know. भाई तुम, मुझे मालूम है तुम 2 घंटा जिम में जाते हो.
नहीं मैं नहीं
जाता हूँ.
दिस इज नेचुरल
No, my life is very unhealthy. I'm a foodie. मुझे खाना बहुत पसंद है.
और एक्सरसाइज की
मतलब
कोई
it is
रूटीन
एक्सरसाइज जिंदगी में कभी किया ही नहीं.
कोई योगा वगैरह भी नहीं किया
हाँ, अभी नहीं. 2 महीने से कर रहा हूँ. 2 महीने से I've decided that I'll do yoga, because you know, the stress levels have really increased, and I think yoga does 2 things to me. It mentally gives me a little relief, and physically I do a lot of stretches. My yoga teacher does a lot of stretches for me. तो जो कहते हैं ना बुढ़ापा जैसे आने लगता है, हड्डियाँ थोड़ी कड़क हो जाती हैं, मूवमेंट, that he's able to I have been doing yoga for the last 2 months. But this is very new in my life.
योगा
Very,
एंड
very new.
एक्सरसाइज एंड फॉलोइंग अ रूटीन
एक्सरसाइज तो नहीं. रूटीन रूटीन ये है, सुबह उठो, नाश्ता अकेले खाओ, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल एट वर्क और चिल्ड्रन हैव गॉन टू स्कूल. काम पे जाओ, काम ख़त्म करो 7, 8, 9, 10 बजे, जब भी घर आओ खाना खाओ, एंड you know, I told you what I do after. It's a very simple routine. मतलब what regular people do.
अच्छा रसा, what are the 3 things that you think are very important in your life? ऐसी 3 चीजें जिनके बगैर आप नहीं रह सकते.
इतने क्या टफ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो.
बताओ मुझे नहीं पता, बताएं.
3 चीजें जो
जिसके बगैर आप नहीं रह सकते. 3 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें. It can be people, it can be things. Any 3 things that you think are very important in your
for
life.
me, I think so my first priority is always, maybe because I started working at a very early age. अगर मैं काम नहीं करता हूँ, मतलब जिस दिन जब मैं छुट्टियाँ लेता हूँ, जैसे अगर 4 दिन की छुट्टी ले ली मैंने, my family says निकलो घर से, भाई जाओ यहाँ से, because I like to work, so I could probably say I'm a workaholic.
अच्छा.
So my first priority is that. Second, I don't think so I can, I hate being alone. So
people and
I
friends
need
and
my family. The biggest security I get is when my family is around, and the more the merrier. So I think so I can't do without my family or my friends. And the third is probably I don't think so I would have a third. ये 2 चीज़ हैं, मेरा अच्छा काम है और मेरी फैमिली अराउंड है और फ्रेंड्स अराउंड है, बस मैं खुश.
So these
मुझे
2
और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
They are the rock in your life. These 2.
They are.
अच्छा रज़ा, अगर आपको, if your friends would describe you in 2 words, what would they say?
भाई, you are my friend. You describe me. I do not know, but I think so you should, because like, we are friends.
I know already. People want to know.
How
Okay,
would they
he's very
describe-
honest. He's extremely honest, and he's a friend's friend.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Acha, Raza, they say that behind every successful man there is somebody, either your wife, your mother, or somebody. There is a hand. Who in your life has been your mentor?
मेरी initial stages में, and I think so till date, I think so the person who's played most important influence in my life is my mother. Very, very, very humble woman, very simple woman, not very educated, but some amazing values. So I think so I live by her values. जो हम जब से बचपने से कहानियाँ सुना सुना के जो values डाली हैं वो आज भी हम अप्लाई करते हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में, अपने बिजनेस में. But more than anything else, when I came into my career, there was a woman, my chairman's wife, or the vice chairman of Landmark Group, Renuka Jagtiani, who actually set my life in order. You know, I was a fireball. I was ready to do anything and everything, and I was chaotic. I was all over the place. उन्होंने कहा, हाँ, she put a system into my life, and I owe her a lot. And if I have to say today, if not because they are the chairman of the company, but I do believe that Renuka has been my mentor, and I take a lot of inspiration from Mickey, my chairman.
जिंदगी की वो सबसे बड़ी खुशी कौन सी रही आपकी?
सबसे बड़ी खुशी जब मेरा बेटा पैदा हुआ था.
अच्छा.
उससे ज़्यादा खुशी कभी नहीं हुई थी.
And if you don't mind telling, what scares you? What do you get कि किस चीज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है?
Fear, I don't get frightened, honestly. Never. Fear is something which I don't, because fear is an optional. It is not something, हम लोग अगर दिमाग में बना के रखें कि ये हम इससे डरते हैं तो हम डरने लगेंगे. और तुमने अगर उसको, challenges is real, and taking them head on, because if you cannot take up a challenge, then you fear.
So you're not scared of any challenges in life. You're fearless.
No, I won't say I'm fearless.
नहीं वो नहीं. Spiritual fearless.
I'm fearless. Spiritually, I'm fearless. I don't. I believe that I'm answerable to Allah. I'm answerable to my mother. I'm answerable wherever I'm working, and that's it. Personally, professionally, emotionally, I'm not answerable to anybody. And if मैं उनके सामने झूठ नहीं बोल सकता, तो मैं दुनिया के सामने क्यों झूठ बोलूं? I'm fearless. From east to west, salam mere, sab to top and best, salam mere. From east to west, salam mere, sitte sare sade guests, salam.